Hello, and welcome back to BondFitLife. I'm Kay, and my husband Steve is here today. If you're new here, we are all about helping couples connect and get fit together. Today, we're talking about something a lot of couples ask us. What do you do if you and your partner have different fitness levels? Yeah, sometimes one of you might be a little ahead, but that doesn't mean you can't work out together and still have fun.
Exactly. So today we've got some simple ways you can modify exercises so both of you get a great workout no matter where you're starting. Let's get into it. First up is partner push-ups. Now, if one of you is stronger in upper body strength, here's what you can do. One partner does full push-ups, while the other does modified push-ups, either on their knees or against a wall. It's a great way to make push-ups work for both of you.
Next, we've got the plank holds.
Meanwhile, the other can do a modified plank by resting their knees or using a bench.
Exactly. No need to feel intimidated. Number 3, squat variations. All right, let's talk about squat variations. If you're at different levels, one partner can do full squats while the other does half squats or uses a chair for support. This way, you both get that leg workout, but at a pace that works for you. Up next, burpee modifications.
Oh, the burpees. Love them or hate them, right? If one of you is feeling extra strong, do the full burpee, including the jump. But if you're just starting out, you step back into a plank and skip the jump. No pressure.
Lunges together. Next up, lunges. The stronger partner can add some weights or do walking lunges, while the other focuses on stationary lunges, holding onto something for balance if needed. We've got options for everyone.
Now let's get into cardio with jump rope. If one partner's feeling energetic, jump rope at full speed. And the other partner can tap their toes or do slow jumps with a little bounce. Still cardio, but gentler on the knees.
This is a fun one. Partner push, pull resistance. One of you can stand and pull on a resistance band, and the other can sit or use less resistance for a lighter pull.
It's perfect for strength training together without overdoing it. For things like running or cycling, you don't always have to be at the same speed. The stronger partner can do speed intervals, while the other maintains a steady pace. You're still getting in that cardio together.
Core exercises like sit-ups don't have to be intense for both of you. One partner can do full sit-ups, while the other does crunches or leg lifts with bent knees for a gentler approach. Still working that core, just at different levels.
And finally, weightlifting modifications. One partner can lift heavier weights for exercises like bicep curls or overhead presses, while the other uses lighter weights or focuses on body weight exercises. It's all about doing what works for you.
So there you have it. Ways to modify your workouts so you and your partner can stay fit and connected, no matter your fitness levels.
Remember, it's all about the journey and supporting each other, whether you're just starting or have been working out for a while.
Thanks for joining us today.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe.
And let us know in the comments how you and your partner work out together. We'd love to hear your tips.
See you next time on BondFitLife.